Dear kids, today we will learn about the alphabet T. T says tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T says tree, T-R-E-E, tree. T says tractor, T-R-A-C-T-O-R, tractor. T says table, T-A-B-L-E, table. T says train, T-R-A-I-N, train. T says tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T says truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck. T says telephone, T-E-L-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. T says teddy, T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T says turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. T says teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T says torch, T-O-R-C-H, torch. D says toothbrush, D-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H, toothbrush. T says tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools. T says telescope, T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E, telescope. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and subscribe our channel.